Hi, welcome back. Today I wanted to touch on some ways that our team at Guardian Owl has been helping our clients continue to push out video content during this period of quarantine. You may be asking yourself, how can I make videos when I can't leave my home? Well, you'd be surprised at how easy it can be, often even easier than the former. Firstly, let's hit on some basics. You don't need a $5,000 camera to produce video. You can use your iPhone, your laptop, or a tablet. Here's an example of Jenna Ahern, Guardian Owl's founder, filming herself on her laptop for a Facebook Live. This is an excellent way to reach many people in a quick and easy fashion. And best part, no editing necessary. Secondly, I'm sure at this point you have come accustomed to some sort of virtual meeting program. Some more popular programs would include Zoom, Skype, and Google Hangouts. You can screen record a conversation between you and a business partner, a client, a coworker, etc., and post it online. Here is an example of Jenna filming an FAQ with a client to post on their website. Thirdly, you don't even need actual video content. I know you have a cell phone. Record your voice on your phone and have it run over images, stock footage, or pre-recorded footage. Easy peasy. In closing, I hope that this gave you an idea or two about how to continue moving forward with your digital marketing. No matter the situation that businesses are finding themselves in during this pandemic, there is one goal among all of them: finding a way to keep their businesses thriving. At Guardian Owl, we want our clients to emerge from this in better shape than how we went into the chaos. We hope to share this mindset with everyone we interact with. To learn more, visit our website at guardianowldigital.com. I hope to see you here next time.